Are you facing the error device not recognized or struggling with USB devices not being detected on your Windows 11 PC? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you some quick and easy fixes to get your USB ports working again. Step 1. Basic fixes. Start with the basics. Check if your USB device or port shows any visible damage or dirt. Clean it and reconnect. Try plugging the device into a different USB port. Sometimes one port might be faulty while others work fine. If that doesn't help, test the USB device on another computer. If it doesn't work there either, the device might be the issue. Lastly, restart your PC with the USB device connected. A simple reboot often resolves such problems quickly. Step 2. Check for Windows updates. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, navigate to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Windows 11 will check for any available updates and download them. Install the updates and then check the USB device. Step 3. Change power management settings. USB devices require sufficient power, but if you are running on battery, this power isn't always available. You can resolve this by changing your power management settings. Search for Device Manager and open it. Scroll down and expand the Universal Serial Bus Controller section. Right-click USB Root Hub and select Properties. Go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power and click OK. Step 4. Update drivers. If your USB problem persists, it could be due to outdated or corrupted drivers. You can update drivers by opening Device Manager, but updating them manually can be time-consuming and might not always provide the latest drivers for your specific hardware. A quicker, more efficient option is to use a dedicated tool like Advanced Driver Updater. Here is how it works. Download and install Advanced Driver Updater. Link is in the description. Launch the tool and click Start Scan to find the outdated drivers. Review the results, then either update drivers individually or click Update All to handle everything in one go. Using a tool like this not only resolves USB issues but also ensures your system stays stable and optimized. Step 5. Advanced Troubleshooting Tools. If the issue persists, don't worry. Windows has built-in tools that might help. Run a DISM scan to repair corrupted system files. Right-click the Start button and select Windows Terminal Admin. Enter the following command in the terminal window and hit Enter. After the DISM scan is complete, run an SFC scan by entering the following command. When the scans are complete, restart your PC and check if the USB device is working again. And that's it. By now, your USB device should be working fine. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe and drop a comment below sharing which tip worked for you.